I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Cadillac. Now she work at Magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
Yes, sir. We are back. I'm in Old Faithful today, man. Good old Cadillac. I know I ain't brought y'all no truck content in a while, but I'm actually headed to the shop, dropping it off to get some stuff done. It needs some maintenance, man. It needs some maintenance stuff done, like suspension wise up front. So I got like lower control arms, tie rods, inners and outers and stuff like that. I already did the billet uppers. Y'all remember I did them when I had first did the lift or whatever, but as far as the other stuff I'm doing, I ain't gonna show y'all all of it, but so yeah, man, I got a cooler, you know, change up coming for you. My truck content be doing good, you know, whether it's F-150 Cadillac or whatever. It be where the light go? Hold on, I don't know where the light had went. Made me look like Wesley Snipes for a sec, but look at this lady recording my truck. She like them big wheels. But anyway, so we headed to the shop. I'm gonna drop it off. Hopefully they get done today. If not, by tomorrow. I got some stuff to move and stuff to do. I gotta move stuff to my other crib in the O. So pretty much what I'm doing is doing my maintenance and my setup stuff at the same time. So why is she recording like that? They like they ain't never seen no big wheels. I gotta do, so I'm doing my maintenance and stuff at the same time so it'll be ready. So after that, the only thing I need is like some small stuff. I still need to get that back brake checked out, and then I need to get my headlights fit. I need to get another headlight setup going. But pretty much that's it before I be rambling on. Got a new setup coming, some maintenance coming. But overall, we got some truck content coming like y'all like. So yeah. So once I get it dropped off to the shop up here. Hey, and second of all, I know I prefer pickup trucks and shit, but the F-150 ain't, I mean, the Escalade ain't never did me wrong. You can load anything in here. Tools, bodies, parts, all kind of stuff. So, yeah, man. Once I get up here to the shop, I haven't been to this shop yet. So I hope it's cool. I met a dude at that Extreme Auto Lights place that did my Benz lights a long time ago, and he said this is his shop he go to. And their reviews pretty good and all that, so fingers crossed it goes smooth. But anyway, I'll holler at y'all when I get up here to the shop. So alright y'all, so I'm here picking that baby up and it look good. First of all, shout out to them up here. Told y'all where I'm at. My boy Justin, always hooking it up. But let me give y'all a quick little cold start of the whip. Hold on, I don't want to show y'all too much. Hold on. Look at that motherfucker, boy. On them big sixes. With them RBPs on that thing. Also, y'all check out, but look at Justin, bro. He's stunned. Man got an X6M. X6M on them money Forge. He ain't playing. He got something new every time I see him. Yeah, this ain't tough. Look, carbon everywhere. Shout out to them boys up here, man. Look at my truck. Still gotta get that light fixed. My headlights fixed, but not even fixed. It just need another bulb. I need to convert it to LED. Man, look how that thing sitting up. take it to the gas station and get in some good light, some different light so I can really see. But I'm about to walk around, look up on there, make sure everything good. Sorry, I know it's windy, it's I don't know what out here, bro. But pretty much what I'm saying is I'm about to go to the gas station and make sure everything copacetic. Well, I'm about to look up under the hill first before I pull off, and then I'll hit y'all back when I get to the gas station. So, yes, sir. So I picked up the truck the other night. I didn't even go to the gas station and get some pics and stuff like I should have. I was just really riding around trying to see how I like it, but I love it, bro. Look how that thing sit. Look at it. Videos don't really do it justice, bro. This thing sitting so tall. And it ride pretty good. You know, on mud tires, you just gotta accept it's always gonna be some type of little shimmy or something. It ain't gonna ever just be perfect because it's muds. Like an all-terrain or like an RT, it'll ride maybe a little better, but it ain't never gonna be like a factory setup. But yeah, man, I like it. I like it a lot. I'm in the middle of the road, so I gotta pay attention to what I'm filming. But yeah, man, I really like it. I think the next thing I'm gonna do, I wanna black out like this trim piece here, and this trim piece down here, and then I think maybe a couple other pieces, but other than that, and also the spaces up front. So personally, I like the stands. I put the spaces all around on purpose, but the space up front kind of got my turning a little iffy. I can't whip a full U like I need to, but I can turn pretty much and do everything else. But y'all tell me, should I take that spacer out up front? I like it because it bulldog a little bit up front. So it's 2 in the back and 2 up front. But y'all know the track width is already wider on the front, because when you lift it, that spindle, the lift spindle push it out. The lift spindle push it out, so it was already sitting 1.5 inches out compared to the back. But man, look at it, bruh. Yes, sir. Next, after I get that stuff color match, I go ahead and get the paint corrected because it need that pretty bad. But yeah, if anything, just the spaces off the front and the ones in the back, they ain't coming off, because low-key they help with rubbing too, because I don't think it'll do it on them, but I had some street tires on these before, so I need to show y'all, bro. I traded my 24 14s for these, and because I wanted this specific style of wheel, the Texas edition style. But bro, it came on some street tires, some 315 40 26's, and it was terrible. They looked terrible on there. So I ended up buying these RBPs for Black Friday, and they worked out pretty good. So, but yeah, y'all can see from this angle, because it don't poke much. The back poke not even a full 2 inches. The front poke about 1 inch wider than that. So it ain't too bad, man. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm about to go for a little cruise. The next video, I'll show y'all how I ride. You know, what it's like to probably do, like what it's like to daily drive on 26's and 35's. Because this is actually my daily drive. You know. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. This is what a 2-wheel drive Escalade on 26 and 35's look like. And you know, 6-inch without actually doing like a rough country lift kit or something, it's subjective. It probably ain't even really 6 inches. Probably right around like 5 inches of total lift. But yeah, man. So that's with the lift I pieced together. 26's and 35's. 2-inch spacers all around. 35, 13, 50, 26's. Yes, sir. But yeah, man. That's all I got. Appreciate y'all liking, commenting, subscribing. We done with college now, so I gotta find something else to do. But yeah, man. Until the next one.
Cash rules everything around me. Dream, get the money. Dollar bill, yeah. Yeah, cash rules everything around me. Dream, get the money. Dollar bill, yeah. Yeah, cash rules everything around me. Dream, get the money.